Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Create a serene outdoor lounge area, showcasing a spacious, curved sectional sofa adorned with a mix of vibrant cushions in shades of purple and orange. The setting is enveloped by lush greenery and colorful blooming flowers, including clusters of purple and orange blooms, creating a lively yet tranquil atmosphere. The flooring consists of large, textured stone tiles that complement the natural elements. A charming stone cottage nestled in a lush, vibrant garden, showcasing an idyllic countryside setting. The scene features a beautifully textured facade with weathered stone walls and a red-tiled roof, framed by flourishing greenery and an array of colorful flowers. A cobblestone pathway leads to the entrance, adorned with terracotta pots bursting with blooming plants, including bright tulips and cheerful daisies. Sunlight filters through the trees, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere under a partly cloudy sky with soft, fluffy clouds. Tranquil garden with a rustic wooden cottage surrounded by vibrant roses in shades of pink and red, lush greenery enveloping the scene, a path of uneven stone slabs leading to the door, soft morning light illuminating the dew on the grass, a simple wooden bench positioned for relaxation, impressionistic style emphasizing rich colors and soft textures, details of blossoms intertwined with greenery creating a harmonious and inviting atmosphere, serene and picturesque setting evoking a sense of peace and comfort. A serene outdoor kitchen scene set in a lush garden, featuring a majestic stone fireplace with a vibrant fire burning brightly. The setting is bathed in warm, golden sunlight filtering through the canopy of green leaves overhead, casting soft shadows on the brick patio. A wooden dining table surrounded by rustic chairs is adorned with colorful potted flowers, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. To the left, a built-in outdoor grill gleams in the light, ready for culinary delights. The garden is bursting with vivid colors from blooming flowers, including reds, pinks, and purples, interspersed with deep green foliage. A charming Italian villa surrounded by a vibrant garden in full bloom. The villa features rustic stone walls, a tiled roof, and wooden shutters. A cobblestone pathway leads to the entrance, framed by colorful flower beds showcasing tulips, daisies, and bougainvillea in shades of pink, yellow, and purple. Lush greenery surrounds the scene, creating a serene atmosphere under a partly cloudy sky. The aesthetic leans towards hyper-realistic, with sharp details and vivid colors capturing the essence of a peaceful countryside retreat. A vibrant, inviting entrance scene featuring a rustic wooden door with intricate carvings, set against a vivid cobalt blue wall. Lush tropical plants and bright magenta bougainvillea flowers frame the doorway, creating a lush, tropical aesthetic. 2 terracotta pots filled with colorful blooms are placed on either side of the door, enhancing the warmth of the setting. A charming cottage nestled in a lush garden, featuring a vibrant blue exterior adorned with climbing plants and colorful flowers in full bloom. The front porch showcases an inviting orange sofa with patterned cushions, positioned in front of a rustic wooden door framed by decorative flower pots. A woven rug lies on the freshly mowed grass, surrounded by a mosaic of multicolored blossoms, yellows, purples, and reds. The scene is illuminated by soft, warm sunlight, creating an idyllic, tranquil atmosphere. A serene porch scene captured in hyper-realistic style, featuring 2 black rocking chairs with vibrant, floral-patterned cushions placed on a richly textured wooden deck. The setting is surrounded by lush greenery, sunlight filtering through trees, casting gentle shadows. Colorful flower pots with blooming red, orange, and purple flowers add bursts of color around the chairs. A vivid, intricately patterned area rug lies beneath, enhancing the cozy atmosphere. The background showcases a blurred garden filled with blooming plants, evoking a tranquil and inviting mood. A tranquil garden path leads to a serene wooden bench, framed by a breathtaking archway of vibrant purple flowers. Lush greenery surrounds the scene, with an array of multicolored blossoms, including yellows, pinks, and blues, creating a whimsical and inviting atmosphere. Early morning sunlight filters through the foliage, casting a soft, golden glow over the cobblestone pathway. The air is filled with the fragrance of blooming flowers, enhancing the tranquil ambience. A charming blue cottage surrounded by a vibrant garden bursting with colorful flowers in a lush, idyllic setting. The house features a gabled roof and a welcoming porch adorned with blooming flower pots. The scene is illuminated by warm sunlight, highlighting the intricate textures of the wooden walls and the rich greenery of the trees. The pathway made of stone winds through a kaleidoscope of blossoms in shades of pink, purple, orange, and yellow, evoking a sense of serenity and joy. In the background, soft, rolling hills covered with trees fade into a bright blue sky dotted with fluffy white clouds.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.